In Infinite Craft, making infinite typically refers to creating systems that automatically generate resources or craft items continuously without the manual effort. This can be achieved through automation, resource loops, and utilizing the game's mechanics in effective ways, in creative ways. So one way to create infinite systems is by setting up resource generators such as automated farms or mining machines. These systems use mechanisms like pistons, hoppers, and redstone to gather resources like crops, wood, or ores. With proper automation, these generators can run without the player's direct involvement, producing an endless supply of materials over time. Another method to make infinite in the game is by designing crafting loops, So this involves setting up crafting stations connected to storage systems where items are consistently replenished. By creating a cycle of crafting, storage, and item generation, you can ensure that you always have the materials that you need without manually collecting them. You can also tap into renewable resources such as water or lava, which regenerate automatically and can power certain machines and systems. So this ensures that your setup doesn't run out of energy, allowing your infinite systems to keep running. By combining these techniques and integrating automation, you can create an environment where resources and crafting processes are self-sustaining and endless. Let me know if this helped.